Hello guys, review Honor Magic 6 Lite, this version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory. Okay, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have only cable, Type-C to Type-C cable and Type-C USB to Type-C cable, and that's all. Okay, on the back side circle camera, triple camera and LED. Downside Type-C port without headphones jack, right side power button and volume buttons. On the front side 6.7-inch display, Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Okay, curved display. We have slot for 2 nano SIM cards. Open settings. About phone we have Android 13 and version Magic OS 7.2. Geekbench 6 results. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, GPU Adreno 710. Undo the benchmark results. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level, max graphic level, max FPS rate and very good graphic level. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.